Miss Lal is the counsel for the respondents.
I will give them some time to take instructions.
Yes, my lord.
Heard Mr. So-and-so appearing for the petitioner. It has been submitted that the matter has already been settled in mediation for an amount of rupees 6 lakhs. Only 6 lakhs.
If I will, I'm not exactly sure, my lord.
The matter has already been settled and a compensation amount has been agreed to be paid by the respondents. The respondents are allowed some time to take instructions to that effect. List next week.
Yes, my lord. Oblige, my lord.
Item numbers 2 and 3.
May please, Your Worship. In the pleadings are complete, Your Worship. This matter can be fixed for admission hearing on the 11th.
Okay.
Coming Monday.
Pleadings are already complete. List the matter on 11th of May for admission hearing, along with item number 3.
Yes.
Item 4.
Yes. Who is for the respondents? 1 to 4?
Representing the respondent number 4, that is the state, and we have already filed our affidavit.
1 to 4?
Only 4.
Only 4. And what about 5? 5 probably you will represent. Who will represent respondent number 5?
No, Your Lordship. Respondent number 1 is the CGC, represented by CGC, and 2 and 3 is represented by.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of my
2 and
senior,
3.
Mr. Samuel Vanashan.
1 is represented by CGC.
Your Lordship,
You are representing 1.
yes, Your Lordship, I appear on behalf of my senior CGC,
Okay. And 2 and 3
respondent number 1.
Okay. 2 and 3,
Your
and you are
Lordship.
for 4.
Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. Samuel Vanashiata, who is representing respondent 2 and 3.
2 and 3. And who is for 4? You are for 4.
Yes.
So you can represent 5 also. Additional Deputy Commissioner, Aizol.
That is the Kala, Your Lordship. The
Huh?
Kala, they are having their own council. We are not representing them.
Or they have separate council.
Yes. Yes.
One filed affidavit. One already filed affidavit.
Four,
No,
respondent
CGC
4, that is the state, we have already filed our affidavit.
You have already filed.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And 2 and 3, have you filed affidavit?
Yes, Your Lordship.
And 1,
Your Lordship, we will not file the affidavit.
you have not filed.
Yes, Your Lordship, we will not be.
You need time. No, you filed.
We will not be filing the affidavit.
Huh?
We will not be filing, Your Honor.
You will not file.
Yes,
Heard MS so-and-so, the learned counsel appearing for the petitioners. Heard Mr. So-and-so appearing for the respondent number 1. Heard MS so-and-so appearing for the respondents 2 and 3. Heard MS so-and-so
My
appearing for
lord,
the respondent number 4.
I pray that let a notice be issued against the respondent 5, that is the Kala Aizol.
5.
Yes, my lord.
Served or not? Notice served. Oh, service of notice upon the respondent number 5 is already complete. None appears for the respondent number 5. List next week.
Item 5.
Who is for respondents 2, 3, 4?
Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. Samuel Vanashiata. He's representing
Two,
respondent
3, 4.
2 to 4. We have filed the affidavit.
2, 3, 4. The respondents 2, 3, 4 have already filed the affidavit in opposition. Who is for 1? Secretary to the Government of India, CGC.
Yes, my lord. Fine.
You are for 1.
I'm for respondent number 1, my lord.
Hard MS so and so appearing for the respondent number 1.
And Your Lordship, I'm representing the respondent number 5, and we have already filed our affidavit.
Hard MS so and so appearing for the respondent number 5. Who has already filed the affidavit in opposition? Respondent number 1 filed or not? Affidavit?
Yes, my lord. I may be given some more time for filing my affidavit.
MS so and so appearing for the respondent number 1 prays for some more time to file the affidavit in opposition. The prayer is allowed. List after 3 weeks.
Oblige.
Item number 6 and 7.
May it please your lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of the state respondents in item number 6.
Item number 6.
Yes, your lordship.
Who is for the petitioner?
My lord, I am the petitioner in item number 6.
Item number 6. Hard Mr. So and so appearing for the petitioner.
Your lordship, on behalf of the state respondents, we are yet to file affidavit in opposition. If 4 weeks time may be granted, your lordship, to file the affidavit.
You are for?
For state
Respondent
respondents, your lordship.
Respondent number?
1 to 6, your lordship.
The learned counsel MS so and so appearing for the respondents 1 to 6 has prayed for some time to file the counter affidavit. Mr. Joseph.
Similar prayer, Your Worship, 7 and 8.
Mr. Joseph as well as Mr. Malhotra appearing for the respondents 7 and 8 have also prayed for some time to file the counter affidavit. The prayer is allowed. The prayers are allowed. Least after 4 weeks.
Much obliged.
Item number 7, my lord, let the interim order pass earlier continue, my lord, item number 7.
In item number 7, you write, hard Mr. So and so appearing for the petitioner. Hard Mr. Joseph.
No, it is I am the petitioner.
You are the petitioner.
Yes,
Hard Mr. Joseph. Lansang Hima
yes, ma'am.
appearing for the petitioner. Affidavit filed.
Pleadings are complete, Your Worship.
Pleadings are complete.
But since it is a connected matter, let it be clubbed together.
Okay.
It can come up after 4 weeks, my lord.
Hard Mr. A.R. Malhotra appearing for the. Malhotra is for the respondent number 7. Respondent number 7. List this matter after 4 weeks along with item number 6. The interim order passed LS will continue till the next date of listing.
Item 8.
My lord, I am for respondent number 1.
Have
I may
you filed the
even-
affidavit? Have you filed the affidavit?
Not yet filed, my lord. I may be given some more time for filing my affidavit.
You want time?
Yes, my lord.
MS so and so appearing for the respondent number
1.
1. Prays for some time to file the counter affidavit. Our prayer is allowed. List after 4 weeks.
Oblige.
For orders, item 9.
May it please, my lords. I appear through remote video conferencing, my lords. Am I audible to my
Yes.
lords? My lords, am I audible? My lords, this is a regular bail application filed in connection with Sessions Registration Case 388 of 2023, my lords.
Is it
Here
a
I-
commercial? Is it a commercial quantity?
Yes, my lords, it is a commercial quantity.
How many witnesses are examined till now?
My lords, all the deponents have been examined. However, my lords, there are certain defense witnesses that we wish to call for. But since we have been in detention for the past 2 years, 8 months and 10 days, therefore I have not been able to communicate and bring in the witnesses in my favor. And hence this bail application, my lords, also on the grounds that I was not served with the grounds of arrest in the arrest memo. If my lords is pleased to kindly look at the arrest memo in page number 17. My lords has the page.
How many witnesses are examined till now?
My lords, all the listed witnesses have been examined on the prosecution side. However, on the defense side, only the 2 accused who were arrested, they have been examined, my lord. So, for the prosecution side, all the depositions are complete, and for the defense side also, both the accused are examined. However, we also wish to bring in some witnesses in our favor, but because we have been languishing in jail, my lords, we have not been able to contact them.
Your
And
Lordship,
because
if I
of that,
may,
it appears that the trial has
Yes.
reached the final
I
stages.
believe that the council is trying to mislead the court. Actually, now the stage is in written argument. Evidence has been closed, and even 313 examination has been completed. So now the stage is at written argument, and the court date is on tomorrow.
Tomorrow for
My
argument.
lords, on the 7th.
7th, yes.
On 7 argument.
Yes.
So
My
at
lords,
this
if I
stage
may
you are not
submit-
entitled to bail.
So trial is almost
My
completed.
lords, my grounds are that my arrest, when I was arrested, the grounds were not furnished to me, and because of which I was not able to adduce defense witnesses in my favor, and because of which I will be prejudiced, my lords. Just to close the trial for the sake of it, without affording me an opportunity to bring witnesses in my favor, my lord, that will not be a fair trial in my humble submission, my lords. Therefore, to enable me to bring in witnesses in my favor, I need to come out of jail, my lords. And also because I am from Assam and my native language is Bengali, I have not been able to communicate with my counsel, because of which the proper examinations were not done. If I may take my lords to the examination of the IO, the investigating officer who was a crucial witness, my lords.
Video link already snapped.
My lords, am I audible, my lords?
Yes.
Yes. Therefore, my lords, except myself as an accused, I have not been able to adduce any defense evidence in my favor. Therefore, my lords, hence my prayer is that if I am let out on bail, if I am given the liberty, my lords, I will be able to adduce evidences in my favor to prove my innocence, my lords. Because I have clearly stated in my deposition that I had no knowledge of the contrabands that were found in the truck. Therefore, my lords, at this stage, to hurriedly finish the trial, my lords, without giving me an opportunity to present my case, my lords, will prejudice me, my lords. And hence at this stage, bail is necessary so that I can defend my case properly, my lords. And there is a violation of my fundamental rights, my lords. My lords may kindly take that into account. If my lords peruses the arrest memo on page 17, my lords, there is no grounds that have been communicated either to me as an accused or to my relatives. And my lords has held on numerous occasions that on a violation of such fundamental rights, I'll be entitled to bail, whatever be the stage of the trial, my lords. Till the judgment is pronounced, the trial is not complete. I'll still have the remedy to seek defense witnesses, my lords. Therefore, I may be given that opportunity, my lords. Otherwise, I'll be prejudiced in the trial. That is my submissions, my lords. And the Honorable Apex Court has held that even if a trial is at a fag end, even then, if my liberty is violated, I may be released on bail, my lords. If I may just submit one judgment, my lords, to that effect. My lords, there is a compilation of judgment that is already there along with the records. I only seek to place reliance on one judgment of the Apex Court, my lord. It's called Subrata Roy. my lords will perhaps find it in the records of the file.
Yes, it is here.
Yes, my lords, if I may kindly read the third para, my lord, on the first page. Learned counsel for the appellant has drawn our attention to similar orders passed by this court and sought relief on similar terms. Per contra, learned counsel for the respondent stated that the trial is at the fag end and only one witness has to be examined, and therefore this is not a fit case for grant of bail. Also, there are other cases pending against the appellant as noted in paragraph 5 of the counter affidavit. Next page, my lords. Having heard learned counsel for the respective parties and on perusal of the material on record, we are inclined to follow the orders passed by this court in criminal appeal so and so, so and so, so and so. Next para, my lord. In all the aforesaid cases, the recoveries made were in the nature of 190 bottles or 30 bottles of so and so syrup. This court, considering the fact that the accused therein were in custody for quite some time, which is also in the instant case, bail was granted to the accused therein. We see no reason to differ from the aforesaid order. So, my lords, despite the trial being at a fag end in that particular case, and also it was also an NDPS case, my lords, the liberty of bail was granted. Therefore, I pray, my lords, even in my case, I may be allowed to go on bail so that I can adduce defense evidences in my favor. Otherwise, it will prejudice me in the trial, my lords.
Heard Mr. So-and-so appearing for the petitioner. Heard MS So-and-so, the learned additional public prosecutor for the state of Mizoram. Para. This is an application under section 483 of the BNSS 2023, whereby the petitioner Ali Hussein Loskar, who is facing trial in Sessions Registration Case number 388 of 2023, pending in the court of the learned Special Judge NDPS Aizol, has prayed for releasing him on bail. Para. Commercial quantity of narcotic drugs were seized from the possession of the petitioner. All the prosecution witnesses are already examined. 2 defense witnesses are also examined by the petitioner. On 7th of May 2026, the case is posted for hearing the arguments. Para. Pressing this bail application, Mr. So-and-so, the learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that he wants to examine some more witnesses and therefore he deserves to be released on bail so that he can bring witnesses. Para. I have considered the submissions made by the learned counsels of both sides. Para. The case before the trial court is in the fag end of its pendency. This court is of the opinion that allowing the petitioner to go on bail would hamper early disposal of the case before the trial court. Therefore, the bail application of the petitioner is found to be without any merit and stands dismissed accordingly.
Deeply obliged.
Obliged, my lords.
Item 10.
My lords, in this case, the handyman of the vehicle was arrested, my lords. He had no knowledge of it, and in this case, the grounds of arrest were not communicated to him and also not in the language that he understands. He is a Bengali speaking person, but he was not communicated. And in his deposition, he has categorically stated that he was not informed of his grounds of arrest in the language that he understands.
How many witnesses are examined till now?
My lords, the same here, my lords.
This is a similar case.
Both
Similar
the
case.
accused persons have been examined as defense witnesses, my lords. Apart from the accused, no other witnesses have been examined because both of them were under incarceration, my lords. That is the only grievance, my lords. I have not been able
only one defense witness examined.
My lord, there are 2 defense witnesses. Both of these are the accused in this instant case. There are no independent defense witnesses that we have been able to examine because we have been in custody, my lords. That was my prayer. My
When
lords.
this case is posted before the trial court?
7.
It's on 7th.
Yes, day after tomorrow.
My lords, if I am not allowed to bring in evidence in my support and only on the basis of my statement,
It is rejected. Same order. Name of the petitioner will be Sebul Haq Borbhia. Remaining part of the order is same like the previous one. Only name of the petitioner is Sebul Haq Borbhia. It is dismissed.
Deeply obliged.
I'm obliged, my lords.
Item 11.
May I please, Lordship, my lord, in this appeal, respondent is now represented by counsel, so the trial court record may be called for,
Trial court accord.
my lord. This is an appeal.
My lord, if I may make one small submission, my lord. I'm appearing for the respondents. My lord, the instant issue, the instant airship certificate was obtained way back in the year 2020, my lord. And the instant appellant has filed only in the year 2025. And this appeal is filed without filing delay application, my lord. And
There is delay.
yes, my lord.
How many days delay?
My lord, there is no delay because
Around 4 years.
it was on the 4th September 2025 that the appellant come to know the fact of issuance of this impugned airship certificate. So there is no delay, and in the first stage, the said appeal is admitted.
Okay, I have to see the plaint and the written statement. So I will call the record. Heard Mr. So-and-so appearing for the petitioner? Appellant?
Appellant.
Appellant? Heard Mr. So-and-so appearing for the sole respondent? Call for the scanned copy of the trial court record. From where it is coming?
The ISO court itself.
So here it is, Aizol.
Yes,
So it will not take much time.
my lord.
List this matter on 18 May.
Obliged, my lord.
Item 12.
Yes.
My lord, this is an application of delay of 295 days, my lord, for continuation of 295 days.
Lordship, if I may be allowed to file my written objection.
Okay. Heard Mr. Joseph so-and-so appearing for the applicant. MS so-and-so, the learned counsel for the sole respondent, prays for some time to file an objection. After hearing both sides, the prayer of the learned counsel for the respondent is allowed. When you will file?
2 weeks time, Your Lordship.
Least after 2 weeks.
Obliged, lordship.
Item 13.
Who is for the petitioner? The insurance counsel. None appears for the applicant on call. List next week.
Item 14.
Same. Then same order. None appears for the applicant on call. List next week. 15 also same order.
Item 16.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, this is an application for condonation of 99 days in filing the MAC appeal.
99 days.
Yes, Lordship, and this is the first time.
For the insurance company.
Yes, Lordship. The judgment and order is dated 21st October 2025.
I will condone the delay. Notice is not required.
Yes, Lordship.
RMS so-and-so appearing for the applicant. This is an application under Section 5 of the Limitation Act praying for condonation of 99 days of delay in preferring the connected MSC appeal. The delay has been satisfactorily explained. Stop. Going for issuing notice to the opposite parties will be a sheer wastage of time. The delay stands condoned. The connected MSC appeals will be listed next week for admission hearing.
Yes.
Item 17.
Lordship, similar or this is an application for delay of 99 days.
99 days.
Yes, Lordship.
This is also same order. Same order.
Deeply obliged.
Yes.
May I seek indulgence? Mine is item number 13. I'm
Oh,
so
you are from
sorry.
an insurance company?
Yes.
United India.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Item number 13.
13, 14, and 15.
13, 14, and 15. Item number 13. You write, heard Mr. So-and-so appearing for the applicant. This is an application under Section 5 of the Limitation Act praying for condonation of 53 days of delay in preferring the connected appeal. The delay has been satisfactorily explained. This court is of the opinion that going for issuing notice to the respondents would be a sheer wastage of time. The delay stands condoned. The connected MSc appeals will be listed for admission hearing
Thank you,
next
Your
week.
Lordship.
On the next date. This same order in item number
14 and 15.
14, 15 and 16. Oh,
13, 14, and 15.
up to 15. 13, 14, 15.
Yes.
Same order.
Thank you, Your Lordship.
In all the cases, 53 days.
No, a slight difference.
Item number 14. Item number 15, 53 days. Item number 15 is 64 days. And item number 16, it is 14. And item number 15, $88 days. Remaining part of the order will be same.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.